Hello my dear viewers, my name is Mario and today I will talk about a little bit about the bay leaf tea. What will happen in your body if you drink a bay leaf tea for the 30 consecutive days. This is going to be very important and interesting topic. At the end of the show, I will give you a wonderful recipe and information on how you should drink this tea for the greatest health benefits. Bay leaf has been used for the thousands of years for the health and culinary purposes. What will happen in your body when you take bay leaf for the 13 days? First things is going to happen to you, it will be reduction of the inflammation in your body. Inflammation is the main cause why you're getting sick of many diseases. So when you drink this tea, you get lower inflammation in your body. It have antimicrobial and antioxidant qualities. Bay leaf, including bay leaf essential oil, offer anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and antioxidants benefits due to antioxidants and other protective compounds found in the plant. This herb contains more than 80 identified compounds, including polyphenols, eucalyptol, cineol, sabinan, and linalool. Also, this bay leaf tea may prevent candida and contain wound healing benefits. Also, it's good for diabetes. Finding it hard to deal with diabetes? Well, if you are at the risk of developing diabetes or have already developed condition, consuming bay leaf may be good for you. It can lower your sugar levels and prove effective in dealing with type 2 diabetes. You only need 1 to 3 grams a day for 30 days. This decreases risk of diabetes and cardiovascular disease. Also, bay leaf improves digestion. Many bay leaf may have impact on gastrointestinal system by preventing gastric damage and promoting urination. This helps to release toxins in the body and aids in the health of the kidneys. The bay leaf has wonderful antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, especially against Escherichia coli and Salmonella. This tea boosts immunity, and this tea improves the function of the heart and the blood vessels. Anyone who wants to quickly solve upper respiratory tract infections, I will gladly recommend you to drink bay leaf tea. Upper respiratory tract infections means that you have problem in the nose, in the mouth, in the throat, like cold, flu, sinusitis, and some typical problems that are in the upper respiratory tract. Bay leaf tea is so important in this form. So, the next thing that you need to know, this tea helps you to lose excess weight quickly and healthy. That both of the leaves and the fruit of the Laurus nobilis plant are capable of fighting breast cancer. Most important thing about the bay leaf that it had a very powerful anti-cancer properties. If you drink in the bay leaf, you will help your respiratory conditions. Inhaling steam with the bay leaf or using bay leaf as a tea or in a diffuser, you can relieve respiratory issues like colds, congestion, and asthma, thanks to its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Bay leaf is also a source of an essential oil. The essential oil extracted from this leaf can be used to alleviate various respiratory conditions. The expectorant effect of these leaves can reduce phlegm and mucus in the respiratory tract, cleaning it out for the better breathing. If you drink in bay leaf tea, you will fight against fungal infection. Bay leaf is considered a natural remedy for antifungal properties due to the presence of compounds such as eugenol and cineol, which have antimicrobial activity. Those compounds help inhibit the growth of common fungi strains. Also, may help reduce stress and anxiety. If yes, you should know that presence of linalool in bay leaves can lower the level of stress and anxiety in the body. Also, it has natural soothing qualities, which can help you calm down and reduce the chance of depression too. It helps you release toxins in the body and help with the kidney health. Within bay leaves are certain organic compounds that contain enzymes that can help you calm stomach upsets, protects against kidney stones, and reduce symptoms of the irritable bowel syndrome, such as bloating and gas. In the short, bay leaf tea is very important for our digestive systems. The bay leaf tea is going to give you a lot of energy, it's going to give you mental clarity, and also help you, your heart, your liver, and also it's going to help your kidneys, and much more. The bay leaf tea is going to help you. How to make bay leaf tea at home? From the whole leaves, add 3 to 5 dry whole leaves to a pot of water, about 2 cups, and bring to a boil. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, then let it leaves stir for the 5 to 10 minutes. The longer you soak the leaves, the more flavor should be released in the water. If the leaves are small, add more. You can also use loose ground leaves. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of dry ground leaves to a pot of water, about 2 to 3 cups, and bring it to a boil. Boil for the 3 to 5 minutes. Then let it ground leaves steep for the 5 to 10 minutes. Considering the tea leaves are loose, filter the tea before drinking or simply let it rest to the ground. The leaf residue can settle on the bottom of the cup. Also, you can make tea from the tea bags. Prepare the tea accordingly to the instruction of the label. For stronger flavor, let the tea bags steep several more minutes. Pass the recommended time and add 1 more tea bag and just a bit of water for balanced flavor on the stronger taste. Optional steps: sweeten your bay leaf tea accordingly to your taste. A healthy option is raw honey. Whether it's acacia, clover, sunflower, manuka honey, you can choose any type of honey you like. Just remember to use certified raw honey and add it to the tea after it's cooled down. Adding raw honey to the boiling herbal infusion or mixing it in the steeping hot tea can affect the therapeutic properties, reducing beneficial effects. If you drink this tea for 30 days, you will get a lot healthier and much more better body functions.